Hello friends, if you are using the various softwares, then you can heard this particular terminology called as licensing. Node lock license, floating license, standalone license, network license. So you might wonder what is this licensing is all about and what are the different types of licensing are there and how it will be helpful for you. So in this video, I will tell you what are the different types of licensing is available and you can choose the type of license for the software that you are going to use as per your need and as per your requirement. So friends, let's start. So there are main two different types of licensing. One is the standalone license and the second is the floating license. So what do you mean by the standalone license? As its name suggests, it means stand alone. So it is based on the particular system or your personal computer or the desktop. So standalone means the software that is based on the particular system or on machine or on desktop is called as standalone license. So now you will wonder what is the network license. Okay, so in network license basically, so license is based on the server and from that it is accessed by the different PCs. So that is the main difference with respect to the standalone license and the network license. So you might also wonder what do you mean by the floating license? So the floating license and the network license, these are the same licensing. So how this licensing based, how it works? So let's look into it. So standalone license, if you have the three different machines or the three different computers, computer 1, computer 2, computer 3 or the three different desktops, the licenses is assigned for that particular laptop or desktop. So your license has been assigned in such a way that it has to be run on that particular machine. So now let's look into how the network and floating license work. Now similarly, here is also the three different personal computers, PC1, PC2, PC3 or desktop 1, desktop 2, desktop 3. But in network or in the floating license, there is an additional term named as the server. The server is an integral part of a company where the different licenses are got based. Now you can, if you have the server license, it will be based on your server and then all the PCs in your network is connected to the server. Okay, and your PC is accessing the license from the server. So the given diagrams will tell you clearly what is the difference between the standalone license and the network license. So which license that you would like to go for? Okay, if you are having these questions, in our next video we will break down to you what are the advantages, what are the benefits of the standalone licenses and what are the advantages, benefits of the floating licenses. So stay in touch for our next video for the licensing. We request you can subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos on the technology. Thank you.